Even a brand new vehicle under warranty has to be maintained. You got to change the brake pads, you got to change the fluids. Horses are no different. Heck, they have their own mind. So we have to understand how we can do maintenance on our horses, no matter where you get them from, to make sure that you maintain their respect and their undivided attention, the power steering fluid is working, and the brake pads are working. And we're going to show you how. Hey, I'm Michael Gascon, the horse guru, a fifth generation horse trainer that's been blessed and fortunate to travel around the world and work with some of the world's most problematic horses. And it's my mission to help 1 million horse owners learn how to confidently, safely, and successfully train their horses from home for free and remember how to have fun again. But why free? Because I know after the 30-day challenge, you'll have the confidence and education you need to help your horses, your future horses, even your friends' horses. If this sounds fun, and it will be, click the link to join the 30-day Horse Help Challenge.